Radiation has been used in various ways since its discovery. For example, radiation can be used to detect cracks in objects, as beta radiation can't normally pass through unless a fault is present. Gamma rays can also be used to sterilize food, for example, as they kill bacteria, but they won't contaminate the food. But you don't need to know about these specific examples for exams. The amount of radiation used for these processes is small and controlled, and small amounts of radiation from these applications contribute to background radiation. So what is the biggest cause of man-made background radiation? Well, hospitals use radiation for diagnostics and treatment. Some procedures which use radiation include X-rays, tracing, and also radiotherapy. In fact, radiation from hospitals accounts for about 12% of background radiation. This is the cause of almost all man-made background radiation today. But you don't need to remember this percentage for your exams. Let's have a look at a use of radiation that has a lot of regulations specifically to stop it escaping. Nuclear power stations are designed to stop most radiation from leaking. Radiation within a reactor comes from the waste products of the reactions inside, so we use lead shielding and thick concrete to stop gamma radiation escaping. We then store the waste generated in sealed lead containers underground. However, large amounts of radiation will leak following an accident, and we still detect radiation even now from the Chernobyl and Fukushima disasters. So what other historic sources of background radiation do we still detect? Well, small amounts of radiation from historic nuclear weapons testing can still be detected today. These kinds of tests started in the 1940s. A nuclear explosion is caused when a nuclear reaction is allowed to go out of control. Radiation is released as unstable nuclei are created and then they're blown away. You don't need to know about all of these radiation sources in detail, but in an exam, you may be asked to give examples of natural or man-made background radiation.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!